Hi guys, welcome to another video of SAP EWM basics. So today we are going to learn what is the difference between material master and product master. So in business generally we speak about material master, product master. So what is the difference between this material master and product master? So material master mainly we use in S4HANA ECC side in the logistics modules like MA materials management, sales and distribution, production, quality management. In those kind of modules we use material master. Product master exclusively we use in the APO and EWM modules. So I can say product master means it's a material master attributes plus warehouse specific indicators. So product master is going to have the warehouse specific indicators which will give the direction to the product to enter into what storage type, what storage section, in what kind of storage bins. The same way we can pick these materials or products on the warehouse. So the picking attributes also can be set in this product master. So material master plus warehouse specific indicators. So the warehouse specific indicators mainly we get in the warehouse data tab, slotting tab and storage type data. So product master means material master plus warehouse data tab plus slotting tab, the storage type data. So these three tabs fields we are considering as a warehouse specific indicators. So if you see the material master data attributes, mainly we give basic data, sales related data, accounts related data, inventory, quality management, batch, class related information we provide in the material master. But whereas in the product master, apart from this material master info, we have a warehouse data. So what is the put away control indicator? So that we can put away this material in what storage type. And we have like a storage section indicator, then your SRCA like storage stock removal control indicator. So SRCA, two-step picking. So this kind of data we fill in the warehouse data tab. We have a slotting and rearrangement. So in that we use the attributes. Then storage type data. Suppose we fix a product to particular bin. What is the minimum? What is the maximum? What is the replenishment quantity? So during put away, whether we can split or not, what is the maximum number of bins? These are attributes you will get in the storage type data. So that's it. This is all about material master and product master differences. For more information, configuration and testing of SAP EWM, our next batch is going to start on January 27. Please contact to given numbers. Thank you.